In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 on my account for months, and zounds, it's orbited my trades with plus 4,599.58% gains with the panache of a parodic multi-pair maestro spinning orbits. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the ORB EA that turns market orbits into orbital opulence. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 slinger of sizzles. Aha, the zip folder for the MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 disrobes with orbital decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX5 file, RADME text, and installation instructions PDF in seconds. I ferried the EX5 to MT5's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 to multi-pair charts like BTCUSD on M30, invoked the set file, and it commenced its orbital trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet of stellar conquests, and there the MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 parades its plus 4,599.58% absolute gain escapade, ballooning deposits into $69,861.53 balance with colossal profits amid modest withdrawals. Daily 0.52%, monthly 17.0% reflecting orbital momentum. Yet the equity curve at 100% bemuses manual traders' flatlines with a majestic ascent, peaking at $69,930.04 on December 31st, scarcely perturbed by a 36.87% drawdown thanks to its multi-pair mastery. Profitability orbits high with pairs like EURUSD leading at 1,066 trades and 71% win rate, pips and profits stacking across CHF-JPY, 77% wins, EURCAD, 75%, and more. Average wins plump, losses corralled by the MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5's customizable ORB logic that tames volatility without grid gimmicks. Get this. Net profit $56,099.64 after interest deductions. That's the edge that compounds with cosmic speed on diverse pairs sans reckless overtrading. Drawdown at 36.87%. Yet equity endured with resilient rings, risk of ruin reduced to ridicule. Profit factor robust more than redeems any wobble. For every dollar risked, you're reaping regal returns. Commissions? Handled smoothly on my broker, eclipsed by high expectancy. Hold time suit multi-time frame action. Advanced stats show balanced performance across currencies, with reds and greens highlighting strengths like GBPUSD's 70% wins. Forecast projects non-compounding growth to $1.61 million over 10 years from $69,861.53. No fanciful fables, just reliable riches. Monthly analytics? Steady climbs through 2024 to 2025. It's not merely surviving market noise, it's orbiting it, granting me leisure to relish wins instead of perpetual chart vigil. If you're after multi-pair bots that deliver over 4,500% historically, without habitual heart attacks, this MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 is the undisputed orbital deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 on MT5 with every tick data on BTCUSD M30 last month, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $206.20, gross profits $290.38. Edging losses negative $84.18 for that clean edge. Okay, total trades 250 balanced, win rate strong at 66.80% overall. Average profit trade $1.74, while average loss negative $1.01. Max drawdown tame at 0.46% absolute. Quick orbital entries, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 has you as pumped as it has me after months of hands-on multi-pair orbiting, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting MultiORB EA V6.1 MT5 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.